Ladies and gentlemen, it's Money Making Monday, baby. A new week. A new week to get some money in. Now, as a reminder, let's show this account, man. Let's show this account, okay? As we already know, the past 2 weeks we have not been going in the right direction. Let's turn it around this week, NFP week. So, interesting. Now we got bullish SMT. I can see that off the rip, but let me delete this. As we can see, it looks like we're starting to draw at the very least to this fair value gap here, this daily fair value gap. So if I have to choose like a bias for the day, as of right now, it would be, drawing to this high. So what I would want to see on NQ is like a run on liquidity of some point. Of some sort, right? So even if it's just London low, even though I see like all of this looks good down here, but I think it's quite possible that we just leave that and go to that high I was talking about. It's so crazy, bro, because it looks like we're what 120 points away, and it looks like we're just so close to it already. So I would say I'm starting off bullish for the day. I already know we got S&T between ES and NQ, so that's something we can keep in mind. All right, the Dow is traded into a bearish fair value gap on the daily. That's something to keep in mind. I see ES is already trading into this fair value gap too on NQ. So that's bearish SMT now on a higher time frame, which should kind of make me hesitant to be bullish now. Yeah, that's clear. Bearish SMT. Okay. So that changes things, ladies and gentlemen. Bearish SMT on a higher time frame. Okay. ES has already traded into its daily fair value gap while NQ has not. So because of that, I could see this going lower. Right? Like we don't have to trade all the way up to here. Right? That would be nice, but it doesn't have to. What day is this? 18th. Yeah, even though it would be nice, it doesn't have to. At least not in my opinion. Because of that SMT. Good Lord. So we just have to be patient today. I mean, my God, bro. Look at trash gold. Going straight into a 4-hour FVG. A daily one as well. That could send it down. Mm-hmm. I want to see how this reacts. We could still go higher though. We're kind of in between some PD arrays with the higher time frame having a, well, with the daily and the 4-hour having like a bearish SMT, and then now there's bullish SMT on the 1-hour as well. So kind of in between some PD arrays, which kind of sucks. So as of right now, we have at least one witness going against us in both directions. We'll just have to see, bro. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Let's see how this 15-minute closes with these fair value gaps here. Mm-mm-mm. kind of having SMT all over the place. Low-key about to turn that off. I deactivated my Instagram, so y'all can't follow me on that. And then I need to change that graphic from premium. Ain't no premium no more. Feel like we're about to inverse that. Look at the difference in candles between ES and NQ. Alright, we just inversed all of that. I forgot all about this new day opening gap up here as well. So this is what ES is looking like. Relax, bruh. Relax. Should we do like a little 1 minute uni to start the week off? A little 1 minute uni on the first love, ES. Let me see. Let me see what we looking like. Don't try to rush me, ES. I still don't trust you all the way. I feel like it's super clear now that we trying to draw higher. We do got crazy bearish SMT, which I don't like, bruh. I feel like I should just wait low key. But if I did do this, I have to go with 2. I don't know, y'all. If it wasn't bearish SMT, I wouldn't be so thrown off. Like, because now we got it on a higher time frame and on this lower time frame. You technically could have moved your entry up here if you got in, since we have 2 that overlap now. I just don't know, man. Oh, there it goes, huh? I think I'm good on not taking this. Because if I take it knowing I got all these PDRAs going against me, that would be tough. Like obvious clear bearish SMT, bro. It's not even like it's up for debate. Let's see what this macro does. But then again, being so close to another PD array, I'm kind of like, I mean, it has to go up there. But it doesn't. It really doesn't have to. This would be good to just watch. We'll see if this actually works out or if it loses. The reason I'm not taking it is because of just the crazy SMT. It technically isn't. Since there's like even a fair value gap SMT with ES trading into this and incur hasn't. incur doesn't have to trade back into it now, you know what I'm saying? Right, it would be nice, but it doesn't have to. Let's see if we inverse this on the 1 minute. I'm just doing all this to see what happens during the macro. So we already know this got disrespected. All right, we're in the macro now. SMT at the highs on a higher time frame and a lower time frame now. So if we get a bearish setup, I wouldn't be opposed to shorting. All depends on the setup though. All right, never mind. The thing is, man, I can see the longs and I can see the shorts, bro. I can see the argument for both. That SMT is crazy, bro. It's looking like that ES trade ain't gonna work, yo. So it's a good, oh yeah, it didn't work. Good thing we didn't take it. Would have been a bad way to start the week. Got this little 2-minute bearish gap for now. Dang, bro, that's almost like everything I go to. I'm like, all right, we may have this. It's like, guys, like, absolutely not. He's just immediately closing everything. All right, yeah, we just have to be patient, bro. I can see the longs and the shorts, man. I really can. We're just gonna wait for the market to show us what it wants to do, bro. Some little internal SMT. These lows. Mm, mm, mm. Nope. Dang, bro. Y'all just let me know what y'all trying to do, man. I'll do whatever y'all want to do. gotta remember it's NFP week, so you gotta expect some foolishness like this to be happening. Or stuff on both sides. I will say we get a displacement leg up with a fair value gap. I will take a chance on it and, you know, initially target this little daily fair value gap, which is this line up here. And give it a little shot since we're so close to it. And if it loses, then, you know, there's no choice but to ride on the market, bro. Just go after him. I'll tell you what though, if this fair value gap sequence forms, we're gonna be starting a new 1 hour candle, and I might hesitate just a little bit to see how the 1 hour does, because if I get another stop loss ran through, bruh, because of a new hourly candle, I'm going to freak out. I don't know if I want 720. I might have to give it a little bit of room though. Yeah, this is a 1-to-1, bruh. Can't stand no 1-to-1s. I go break even right there, but I might hold this for a little while, because I also can see this just going. You know what I'm saying? Because who's to say it's gonna stop right here? Let me see though. Equilibrium is slightly above that little price leg. I might give it a shot, y'all. See if we get a pull back down into here. If not, then, you know, it's just over for us, I guess. See if we can get it before we tap into that, but I don't think we are. It's looking like we ain't about to get it. Come on, just come back, grab us real quick before you go up there. You know you want to. What's the sad thing is, if you would have took this ES trade, you would have lost, bruh, just for it to do this. Oh, it may be coming back for us, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. Try to take. Come on now, don't do that. I'm gonna try to take this up to this daily fair value gap here. See if we can start the week off on a dub. Come down. Don't do that, bruh. Don't do that. I don't know, with this little 3-minute order block. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like, come on. Come down here, just come trigger us in so we can go break even. Please. I will say I will be flabbergasted if we just don't take this out right here, or if we don't tap into it. Like if I was to get picked up and we don't tap into that daily fair value gap, I would be I don't want to say shocked because the market doesn't have to do what I want it to do, but I would be, for lack of a better word, shocked. Risking 640, one contract. Let's see if we can get it. All right, we're in. Oh, hang on. Going break even at this recent high if we get it. Only will consider closing the trade early if we inverse this fair value gap. If we inverse it immediately, then great. If not, then we're holding on to it. I'm trying to take it to this daily fair value gap, which is this line right here. We're not trying to take it there, but that's where I'm believing we're drawn towards. Like I said, if we inverse this immediately, then I'll get out. Reasons why I can see this failing is we do have some bearish SMT on the higher time frames, and I am keeping that in mind. I'm not oblivious to that. So yeah, if this fails, I would believe that is the reason why. We can delete this. And this, let me see. You know, we still got bearish SMT on this lower time frame too, so I'm not oblivious to the SMTs against my trade. Just trying to see, you know what I'm saying? Just getting our feet wet on a Monday. But I am aware. So like I said, the only way I can close this early is if it gives me a chance to, is if it closes outside, well, below this fair value gap, and it gives me a chance to really close it. If it does it all in one candle, then that just sucks. Now we're about to have like an internal SMT here as well. Yeah, it's about to take this high. Boom, boom. Good Lord, bro, we're gonna be creating SMT all over the place. Looks like. Tell you what, I'm not doing what I did on Friday. Caused me to miss out on a $3,000 day, bro. I ain't moving my stop loss to under here. You know, if it inverses it, okay, I'll close it. But I ain't about to trim the stop loss no more. I'm not doing that. So, if it gives us a shot to close it early, we will. If it's going to lose. But I've noticed a lot of times it doesn't give us a shot to close it early. Like right now, it's looking like it's gonna come straight down and stop us for the full stop. Yep. Ladies and gentlemen, there it is. Oh. There it is. Yep. Man. Well, that's not good. What was that? literally what I just said. I said it doesn't give us a chance to close it early most of the time. 650. Let's go ahead and send this. Well, it was a quick and easy day for us. That's what I want to say, a 3-day losing streak. Nah, let me see. L, no trades, no trades. L. Yeah, we're on a 3-day losing streak. We were stopped at break even last Monday on a trade. What was my last winning trade, bro? A lot of no trade days. Yeah, we're on a 3-day losing streak, ladies and gentlemen. Not fun. Three-day losing streak. No bueno. No bueno. No bueno. However, there was bearish SMT on the higher. And traded against it. If someone were to say, Chris, you traded against the higher time frame SMT, I wouldn't be mad at you for saying that. You would be 100% correct. I did say I had that in mind, but I mean, 13 points away. I was like, we could just go ahead and remove that SMT, but we did not. So I'm on a 3-day losing streak, man. I'm not gonna lie, that is not fun at all. We just gotta see, bro. I gotta go to the drawing board and figure out, okay, how can I stop these losses, bro? Because right now, I've been taking L, and that's why this account is where it's at now. We went from being 1,700 away from passing to 6,000 and some change, like 6,300 away. So that's not good, man. That's not good at all. I gotta go to the drawing board and really look at some of these trades I'm taking and being like, okay, how can we improve? All right. I put that alert on ES too because I low-key was thinking about going break even if ES took this high first, since there was just bearish SMT all over the place, and of course it does not get up there, bro, so I can't remove my risk. Unfortunate, man. Unfortunate, but we go again tomorrow, man. It's looking like the initial thought to be bearish was correct. Inverse this, fair value gap, we got a BPR low key. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Jeez, and this thing is just going too, bro. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it right there, y'all. Um, Starting the week off with an L, that's never great, but you know, we'll show up tomorrow. Show up tomorrow ready to make some money. Um, I'm not gonna stay on till 11 because I know I'm not about to take another trade. So we're gonna have to take our L on the chin, and I'm gonna show up again tomorrow, y'all. We gonna get out of this break even stage together, bro. We gonna get out of it, man. So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a great trading day. And yeah, man, I'm out of here.